Okay, so we have the stock meet. We're gonna pull this back over to the last year. If you notice here, you found a little bit of support around here, but the 50 was the resistance. We had a pretty nice crackdown, gap down flush, and then found a little bit of support around here. If you notice, this levels here with this candles here, candle here, and around here, Bollinger Band crossover as well. We were able to hold here, go sideways, consolidate, crack down, and then get resistance over right here. This is one of the things that I like. We have a Bollinger Band crossover right here where we found support back from here again, these levels, and we were able to hold the trend over the 100. From there, you can see a hold, and now at the same area at 337, after this support here at the 50 period moving average, we had another Bollinger Band crossover here for a pop, go over, kept on trending over the 50 and 100 period moving average. When he decided to pull back, he held the same support around here. Then we had the Bollinger Band crossover back here. Right now, if you push the shot closer to what we can see now, we held support here, and now we have a hammer trending for the last day today at the same area of support from back there. So it's a very, very important area of support here on this particular chart. We have increasing volume today. If you notice here, we had a extended price channel, a downward price channel here that broke. I'm gonna try to make this quick for you here, guys, so you can see it right here. This extended price channel, we were flagging around here, a little bit of consolidation sideways, downtrending, and today we're tapping support yet again on increasing volume. So I think that this stock is going to be rolling over to the upside. Very important level of support from the last couple of months and years. So I'm going to be paying attention over those levels here for a possible long and a roll over to the upside. Also, they announced that they will be participating in a few conferences around the US and at some places in the globe. So depending on the information that they come out with on those conferences, this thing, depending on what they can say that they are developing on whatever they're working on right now, if the market reacts in a positive way on those conferences, then we are going to see this stock roll over to the upside